Welcome back, folks. We're going to have a little bit of fun today, and we're going to create this cute Leaning Tower of Pisa hug. So I'm going to start off with a new design. So I'll just go to my home screen, and I'm going to choose this 1200 by 1500 pixels. And I'm going to go over to my elements, and I'm going to search for a Tower of Pisa. I'll go to See All, and I'll place this one on my workspace. I'm going to make this my background, and I'm going to add another page. Now in here, I'm going to search for a tree hug, and just search for someone hugging a tree where you can see their arms wrapped around the whole tree. This is the image that I used, except unfortunately in this image, we don't have the bottom half. So I'm going to start off this design by going to Edit, and I'm going to use Magic Grab to isolate the woman giving the hug to the tree. So I'll click that and I'll say grab. Now this is an amazing feature. I use Magic Grab almost every single day. It is worth Canva Pro if you don't have Canva Pro. So here it is. I'm going to now just remove that background because I don't need it anymore. And I'm going to make her a little bit taller. And we still need to do something down here because I want to continue like her legs in jeans. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the beginning, and I'm going to place this photo on my workspace. You can just search for women wearing jeans or jeans, and you'll find something like this. You want something with a side profile. I'm going to remove the background on this, and then I'm going to flip it like this. And I'm just going to crop out as much as I can here. And I'm just going to join the two like that. Now you're going to notice that the jeans aren't entirely the same color. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go over to Edit, and we can say See All, and then I'm just going to change the color of those jeans. You can pick a color until you find the right color to make those jeans. So I'm pretty happy with that. We just need to fix that little line there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Elements, and I'm going to search for Circle Shadows. I'll go on to Graphics, and I want something blue. So maybe I'll just type blue shadows and use that. So I'm going to grab this one, and I'll just make that smaller. And we can also make it a little bit more transparent. And I'll make another copy, and I'll just put that over there. Maybe I'll twist this a little bit to put it in a different direction. And I'll make it a little bit more transparent like that. I'll add another one, and I'll just put that down here and just make it seem like that's some kind of a pattern. Okay, so I'm going to leave that like that. I'm fairly happy with that, and you can just play around with that until you're happy as well. Let me zoom out again. So here is our photo of the woman. I'm going to grab all of her, and I'm going to group it all together because I don't want it to come apart while I'm moving it. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go back to my Leaning Tower of Pisa, and I'm going to paste her. And I'm just going to make her a little bit larger, but I'm just going to position her so that she's on the edge and the hands appear like they're coming around. So I'll just make this a little bit larger, like that. Now the other thing that we can do too is we can just make this Leaning Tower of Pisa with the background a little bit more vibrant. So I'm clicking on Edit and I'm going to Filters and I'm going to come all the way down. And I'm going to choose this one here under Color Pop, Poster, and that makes it look a whole lot more vibrant. So what do you think? Should we have the Leaning Tower leaning towards the left or the right? Which way is the best way to have this Leaning Tower? Let me know in the comments. Did you learn anything in this tutorial? If you did, press that like button. If you didn't like it, press the thumbs down button too. And if you want to join my live classes, let me know in the comments and I'll give you more information. Is there anything else that you want to learn? Let me know in the comments as well. For now, my friends, I'm going to say bye-bye. Until next time.